In this video example, we're going to show you how to manipulate the map width and height. By default, the map takes up 75% of the screen and the directory takes up 25%. So when you create a new interface, it will look like this. Note that the grand total between the map width and the directory width yields 100%. If they exceed 100%, the map may push the directory below the map, or the directory may push the map below itself. So let's look at the default layout. Here we see the map is taking up 75% of the display and the directory results are taking up 25%. Let's adjust this and make it half and half. Here we've changed both the directory and the map to occupy 50% of the available space. Save the changes, reload the page, and we can now see that our map and directory take up equal amounts of space. Let's see what happens when the space exceeds 100%. Now the total width between the map and the directory is 105%. We'll save the changes and reload the page. Notice what's happened. Since the map plus the directory width are too wide to be displayed on a single page, the browser will push the map below the directory. This is typically not a desirable layout. So let's bring it back. Change the map width to 70% and the directory width to 30%. Save our changes and reload. Next, we may want to manipulate the height of both the map and the directory. Let's try increasing the map height to be at 100% of the total available browser window height. We'll do the same thing with the directory height in just a moment. Save those changes and reload our interface preview. Notice that the map now takes up 100% of the available height regardless of how high the browser window is. We can do the same thing with the directory height. Save our changes and reload our interface preview. Here we have a nice full screen layout where the directory and the map both take up 100% of the available width and the available height based on the settings that you see here. That's a quick overview of how to display or how to manipulate the width and height of both the map and the directory. It's important to remember not to exceed 100% when you're combining, for example, the widths of the map and the directory.